This is my hydroponic system that I purchased from Amazon. It was $35. I will link the buyer that I purchased this from off Amazon. It came in 2 boxes. I couldn't wait. I had a sneak peek before I started the video, as you can tell. But it came in 2 boxes. This is it. This system has like 11 holes. 11 holes. Not certain what this is for. This doesn't. Not. I don't think I'm gonna be using this. This is just for filler. This is filler. All right. This is the rock wool. And wrap up in here. This is the box. This is going to be the bubbler or the air pump. Okay. Instructions in here. Yay. Instructions. Let's see what was in that pack. I want to pronounce it right. What did I just have my hands on? I had my hands on the air pump. Air pump. Okay. And then we have our 11 cups. That's going to go down into the holes. Good seal. Cups. And well, I got this from America, but you can see that it has some Chinese writing on it. This is pH paper, indicator paper. Let me open up this. Didn't mean to tear the plastic all the way off, but whatever, it's gonna get used. Got my pH paper, yes. More than a couple of scripts. I think we went to Walmart, we bought 10 pH sticks for $5 at Walmart. And this has a whole lot more than 10 pH strips. This is good. tweezer. So when you have small seeds, pick them up and you put them into the rock wool. Yes. Clay pellets. Clay pellets kind of big to be going in here with the, I don't know. Maybe you don't need to have the clay pellets if you have the rock wool, or maybe you prefer the clay pellets instead of the rock wool. Maybe this is an option, because this right here is pretty small to be trying to stick this and the rock wool in at the same time. So I guess they're giving you an option. And this is just the cord to go with the air pump. And these are going to work with the bubblers, and make sure no. One of these is a, okay, one of these will be the seal ring elbow connector. Okay, this is your air stone, your micro tubing. Tubing. There's my check valve. Okay, everything that's in that's on the description that they give you. They give you a full description of what's inside of here. And then these are the instructions on how to put together on the back when you order it. This is what comes with it. Now what caught my eye when I first opened this is this hole down at the bottom, and I know this is going to be filled up with water, so I do hope that this is a very tight, or maybe the let's see what we got. We got the I don't know, maybe the check valve goes right here, or maybe the seal ring. Seal ring goes right here. I hope the seal ring goes right here. I haven't read the descriptions yet on how to put it together. But when I get ready to put everything together and the pieces and parting it out and putting it in, I will have a video with that too. Right now I'm just unboxing it, showing you guys what all came in the order, and I will link the person I bought this from on Amazon in my description. The supplier will be down there. So I have my aquaponics box. So we're ready for aquaponics to start this, to see how this works compared to aquaponics, to see which one is going to be best for me. I do like this neat little setup. Because my family is so big, of course, you know, this right here is just a trial thing because I don't have the 11 holes. I have a lot of kids, so this is just gonna be for an experiment, because I need a bigger box for my family, bigger box. So I want to thank you guys for watching me. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also share. Thank you.